How's it going, everybody? BC here with Give Me Signs, where we help your brand grow from design all the way to your customer's hand. And if you've been liking the content, guys, please like and subscribe down below if you could, and join our Facebook group, Heat Press Creators. We're free to join over there, and we're slowly growing. And that's actually what we're going to be talking about today. Not only are we going to be sublimating a mug today, but we're going to be sublimating I am a heat press creator mug, which we're going to be giving away on our Facebook group. So if you go over to Facebook Creators and join up, there's a post with this video that you can actually just comment on, give me a sign, and anyone that writes that in the comments will automatically be entered. And this Sunday, I will be announcing the winner. Anyway, we're going to be using our new free sub double station mug press. We just got this into the shop and we put it online on our website as well. We like to use the stuff that we're selling, guys, just so you know. I don't like to just drop ship stuff. I've had bad experiences in the past, drop shipping and doing FBA and that kind of stuff. And sometimes when you just don't work with the products, you know, it's not a good thing because you get a lot of surprises. But like with the red Llama heat press, if you haven't seen that video, check it out up here. We use that every day in here. It's a great heat press that over what I had on Amazon. I had one of those 5-in-1 heat presses from Amazon for a little bit over a year, and I made a lot of money off of that one. A lot of pressing, but man, was that thing hard, and it would give us problems a lot. And when I upgraded to the 16x20 red Llama, it's just been night and day. You know, it's easy to get through orders, and it's just a great machine. So we were looking for a mug press to do the same thing. And I went searching around, and I wanted something that's kind of different. And I saw the free sub mug press, and the distributor that I work with recommended it. He was like, you know, these are actually really good because you have double stations and they come with 5 different attachments. So built in when you get it, it has a mug side, and the other side is like a 9-ounce mug size, but actually is perfect for tumblers, like those skinny tumblers, and for sports bottles. So that's how I use it. I use the right side for my mugs, and I use the left side for sports bottles and tumblers, and it works amazing. Like, it's levels above what I was using with my 5-in-1. You know, like it was a little weird in the beginning because when you put the mug in, it's very snug, you know, and that kind of threw me off in the beginning. I was like, is this the right size? You know, because it felt a little small. Actually, it holds the pressure perfectly around it and gives you nice crisp lines all the way around on your mug presses, which is exactly what I want. So that was great. And it's a really cool machine too. I'm going to kind of do kind of like a half review kind of thing, I think, in another video, but you'll see me just working on it. But it's great. It has a kind of like this plastic shell that keeps the heat away. At first I was like, why is it plastic? But then I understood it was a design thing. It's very easy to put on any counter, and you don't have to worry about, you know, heat burning yourself or anything like that. It's very convenient, and it's all automatic. Once you hit it, it will start the timer once it hits the right temperature and then count it down from there. So it's actually a really cool press. And so we're going to be sublimating a mug on it today, so you can see how we go about sublimating a mug on it. And I might even actually, you know what, I might even do a sports bottle as well, and maybe we'll just give both of them away. All right, so maybe there'll be 2 winners. So anyway, I'm going to head on over to the press, and we're going to go ahead and press some stuff, and I'll talk to you here in a second. right, guys, so there it is. We made a sports bottle and we made a mug, and we're going to be giving those away this Sunday, guys. So there's 2 prizes. 2 winners are going to happen this Sunday. One for the sports bottle, one for the mug. And so make sure you head on over to Heat Press Creators over on Facebook. It's free. Join up and comment on the post of this video. Give me a sign, and that way I know that you're entered in for the drawing, and I will announce that, as I said, on Sunday. If you could also, guys, hit the like and subscribe if the content's been good for you guys. If you're learning things and you're enjoying the content, it lets me know that you're good to go with everything, and it makes me continue to do these things. Also, if you like the heat press that I was using, the mug press, the free sub, we do have it available on our website, which I'll put a link on down below as well. So anyway, thanks again for tuning in, guys, and I will see you in the next video.